Hey everyone, so in today's video I am going to show you how to easily delete a Discord server from the mobile application. So you have to make sure that you are the administrator of this server. So after you open up Discord and join the server that you want to delete, just click on the name on the top left. And then from here you'll want to click on settings. And then from here, it might get a little confusing, but all you have to do is just go into this overview section at the very top and then scroll all the way down until you see delete server. Click on that. And it just wants to make sure that you want to delete this server. And if you're sure, just click on yes. And there you go, simple as that. It is now deleted. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.